In this demonstration, I am going to present the science of balance. Acts of balance are always fascinating, whether it is an acrobat performing in a circus or a little toddler learning to walk. The principle of balance, though simple in its statement, is tricky, and that will be seen in this demonstration, where my aim is to take a pin, two pins, and balance one pin over the tip of the other pin. From its very first statement, it looks like a tall order. Let us see how we are able to achieve it. I take this pin and try to balance it at any place, like this rod or something. It's near impossible. You can't even think of balancing it there. So what I do, I start adding weight to the pin. I take an eraser and pierce the pin through the eraser like this. There's the eraser going right through the pin going right through the eraser. I try to balance it with this weight. Again, it is impossible. So I add further weight. I take this fork from our dining table and pierce on the side of the eraser. And try to balance it. To my utter surprise, I find that it remains balanced, and even if I disturb it a bit, it does not fall down. But my aim was, as stated earlier, to balance this pin over this pin. For this purpose, I first put on my specs to ensure that I am able to focus the pinpoints. Then I take this pin and gently try to balance over the other pin. According to the principle of balance, if a vertical line passing through the center of gravity of this system passes through the support, it is balanced. If the center of gravity is below the support, it is a stable balance, and if it is above, it is an unstable balance. The unstable balance can be made stable by an external effort, as in the case of a bicycle or an acrobat. Or even if I rotate the object at the point of support, it starts getting balanced. In this popular toy, the bird is made of plastic and it's balanced on its beak over the pin. If you look closely, you will find that while the rest of the body is hollow, at the wing tip there are heavy metals attached, thereby throwing all the weight forward, and it is designed in a manner such that the center of gravity is just below the beak.